We have a devotee who comes to our temple, a very nice gentleman. He has a farm on the outskirts of Bangalore city, and he comes and gives us some of the fruits and other things from his farm. One day he delivered big papayas, and they were ripe, and later on it was offered to the Lord, and then I also got to taste the papayas, and they were simply delicious. Then at that time, a certain thought came to my mind. Look at the arrangement the Lord has made in the form of this papayas or most other fruits. Now when the fruit is not yet ripe, it's still in the plant and it is green in color, more or less camouflaged with the other greenery and the leaves around in the plant. And inside the papaya fruit, the unripe, and when it is becoming ripe, lot of very complex biochemical reactions are happening inside, and sugars and fructoses are being formed to make it tasty and give the necessary aroma and the taste and all of those things. All of these are biochemical reactions that are going on. And finally, when the fruit is ripe inside, around the same time, another set of biochemical reactions are happening on the skin. And the skin is turning green to orange or yellow or reddish because it signals human beings and other animals, which the plant is dependent on, that we go and pluck the fruit. Now it is ready, and we consume the fruit and throw away the seeds, and the seeds dispersal happens and new plants are born out of that. So this is the arrangement that we study from science and biology. And look at this wonderful arrangement that is there, that simultaneously, when the fruit is becoming ripe, at the same time, the skin color is changing. For the color to change, it's actually a certain kind of pigments, complex organic molecules, which is actually resulting in those colors. And look at the wonderful arrangement when we come across something in a manufacturing unit or something, sometimes human errors occur, machine-made errors, all of these kind of things happen. Now look at these papayas, error-free. Have you ever come across a situation, by mistake, the papaya, the fruit became bitter and the skin became sweet? Right? It never happens. And such a contrast. The skin of a papaya is so bitter and the fruit is very taste. And bitterness is because of a certain chemical and the sweetness is because of another chemical. But there is no mistake happening, no time. By mistake, the fruit became bitter and the skin became sweet. Never, none of these things happen. Look at all these wonderful arrangements the Lord has made. And we should remember Krishna whenever we see these things. Hare Krishna.